Sig, what are you waiting for?
Trash truck.
So is trash truck your favorite thing in the world?
Yes.
Are you so excited that trash truck is coming?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Can you just tell Mom how excited you are about the trash truck?
I want to
Here it comes.
trash.
Trash truck. You hear it? Oh my god, you hear it, Sig?
Yeah.
Turn around and look up on him.
Take up.
Oh boy, Sig, look at that trash truck. He's waving to you,
Wave.
Sig. Wave back.
Trash truck. Trash truck. Oh, one. Oh, one.
You want another one?
Yes.
You might have to wait a little bit, bud. Does that make you sad that it's going away?
I want one. I want one. I want one. I want one.
Oh, it's okay. Trash truck went away. He'll be back next week.